Before you head to your nearest fireworks stand, nearly 40,000 fireworks have been recalled. The federal government says GS firework artillery shells, Grandma's fireworks, and Patriot pyrotechnics violated federal standards. That's because they were overloaded with pyrotechnics, which could lead to a larger than expected explosion. Sounds fun, yeah, but an 8-year-old boy lost his hand after an explosion with one of those products. Customers can return them for a full refund.